Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to give you a quick little walkthrough of GetResponse. Nothing too fancy, just showing you around the dashboard so you get a feel for how it works. And by the way, if you want to try it out yourself, there's a free 14-day trial. No credit card, no strings attached. You can just play around with it before deciding if you want to get a plan. Alright, let's jump in. Once you log in, this is what your dashboard looks like. You've got all your tools right here. Now, in case you don't know, GetResponse is like an all-in-one online marketing platform. It's made for small businesses, online marketers, e-commerce shops, teachers, bloggers, pretty much anyone who needs to grow online. It's got stuff like email marketing, landing pages, automation, webinars, e-commerce integrations, even a bit of CRM. Basically, if you're looking to grow your email list, set up some automated campaigns, run an online course or event, or even sell products, GetResponse has something for all of that. For today, let's just play around with the landing page feature. One thing I really love is how easy it is to use, and now with the AI option, it's even easier. It honestly saves so much time. So when you go to make a landing page, you've got two choices. You can pick a ready-made template or let the AI builder do its magic. Templates are super simple. They work kinda like WordPress or any other site builder, but these are only for landing pages. Alright, so like I mentioned, the AI builder is really cool. You can also use the AI builder in the free plan, but only 3 attempts are included. It's super quick though. It can put together a whole page for you with layouts, images, forms, and even some sample text based on your product. Huge time saver if you've got the paid version. But since we are keeping this simple and sticking with the free trial, let me show you the manual method instead. So, first I'm gonna scroll through all these templates. You can preview them to see how they look. And once you find one you like, you just click Use Template. For this example, I'll go ahead and pick this one right here. Okay, now we're inside the editor. Let's start with the headline. I'll just click on it and you'll see it becomes editable. So now I'll type in my own text here. Something like introducing our new product. Super simple. Alright, next up, let's fix this button. I'll just double click on it and change the text to Shop Now. Much better. Now for the image, it's the same process. I'll hover over it, click once, and upload one of my product photos. And there we go. It updates instantly. Love that part. Now, if I don't like a section, I'll just click on it, and yep, right here you can see that little delete icon. I'll click that, and boom, the whole section's gone. Don't panic though. If you delete something by accident, you can totally undo it, or just drag it back in later. Speaking of dragging in, let's say I want to add a new block. I'll head over to the right panel, grab something like a text block or maybe a feature list, and just drag it onto the page exactly where I want it. Seriously, it's that easy. Now let's adjust the colors. I'll click on the background here and pick something that matches my brand better. If you've got a logo, you can upload it here too. It really makes your page look branded and clean. Once I'm happy with the design, I'll go ahead and preview it. First on desktop. Looks pretty clean. Now let's check mobile. Okay, not bad. But I think this text would look better if I just made it a bit smaller. Let's preview again. Perfect. Looks much better on the phone. And that's it. As you can see, it's really just about clicking, dragging, and typing in your own stuff. Within a few minutes, you can build a page that fits your brand perfectly. Alright, hopefully by now you've got the idea. Once you're done, just hit continue and move on to the next step. That's literally how simple it is to create a landing page with GetResponse. From here, you just give your landing page a name, then either use a new domain or connect one you already own. And that's pretty much it. You can publish it right away. Super quick. So yeah, in just a few minutes, you can have a full landing page live and ready. Of course, it helps if you've already got your stuff ready, like your images, your logo, your colors, your text. If all that's prepped, you can seriously put a page together in no time. And like I mentioned earlier, if you want to try it out yourself, I'll drop the free trial link down below in the description. I'll also be making a deeper review of every single feature of GetResponse. So if you're interested, let me know down in the comments. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I really hope you found it helpful. Drop any questions below, I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you'd like to support the channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have an awesome day.